Welcome! Today in front of me I have the HOVERAir X1 Pro, and in this video I'll show how you can set this drone up and prepare this little guy for its first actual flight. So to start, you will obviously need to take it out of its box, and as per the booklet or the quick start guide that you should have also gotten alongside the drone itself, you can see that in order to activate the battery of this little guy, you'll need to connect it to charger. So make sure that the drone blades or its flying parts are folded like that. So if they are fully unfolded, on the other hand, just push them just like so. Now, if your camera is looking upwards, should I say, look at the left side of the drone's frame, and here you'll find the Type-C charging port. So take pretty much any charging wire, any charging Type-C wire, should I say, and simply connect it to power, as well as to your drone. Or you can always use an included wire that you also should have gotten alongside the drone itself. Now, once you do that for the first time, you'll see that this little screen on the drone gets activated, which also signals us that the battery is activated as well. So if the drone is decently charged, I recommend that if that's your first time using it, or if you are taking it out of the box, make sure to charge the battery to 100%, maybe 90 at the very least. Now what you will need to do next is to download the application that is called the HOVERAir X1, I think. Getting back to the booklet we have already looked at, you have the QR code which you can use your phone to scan and download the proprietary app for this drone either from the manufacturer's website or from Google Play Store. The choice is yours. Or you can just take your phone, go into the Play Store and look for the HOVERAir X1 application. So just open search, go into your keyboard and type in HOVERAir X1. Press search, find this particular app, and now get it installed. So now you can go ahead and launch the application. Sign up for an account if you want to, but you can use this app as a guest, no problem. So just press Try Now button, agree on the privacy policy and, well, the user agreement. Here press Tap to activate Connect button, provide the app with location access, as well as access to nearby devices. Now let's tap on this button once more, and while it is searching for a drone, make sure to, of course, switch it on. So below, or well, above the little screen on the drone itself, and depending on from which angle you look at it, you have this little control button, or control joystick probably. Anyway, so press and hold the central button to power on the drone for a few seconds. It is going to produce the whew sound, or well, just going to start blowing the air from its cooling chambers. That's how you know your drone is switched on. Now it should have been already discovered within the app, so let's restart the search. If you'll be experiencing issues with, well, finding it, just click here. So can't find your hover, click here. Use this button or use this link, I guess. Now select your model. Ours is HOVERAir X1 Pro. So this one. And now we'll need to hold left and right buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds until the Bluetooth pairing icon appears on this little screen. So let's do precisely that. Press those edge or side buttons simultaneously and hold them for about 3 seconds to put this little drone into the pairing mode, which we successfully did. And well, I can tell that by this little indicator light blinking in blue. That's how I can tell it. Now it is in pairing mode, so perhaps let's press the activate button, and yep, indeed the drone has been discovered this time without any issues at all. Now let's press connect. If your drone hasn't been activated prior, you'll need to press activate, but that's just one button press, so just follow the instructions you'll see on your smartphone's screen. And that's it. The drone and its proprietary mobile app are connected successfully. From here, you will probably need to perform the firmware update for your drone, but yeah, just wait for it to finish and then you'll be able to start flying it. But that's a point for, well, another video. So as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.